Laboratory 10 Network Configuration 2. Today, you will be continue to the part 3 VLANs and user profile configuration, which is about restriction user bandwidth limit, adjust the download and upload speed limit, authentication, username and password, and so much more. Start with creating the bridge hotspot. Now we have a bridge internet and bridge VLAN. Firstly, we go to the interface and create a VLAN. Type VLAN full as a hotspot, right? And we change the ID to full, adjust into the interface VLAN and apply. As I said, we just go into the IP and address and adjust the IP to the port 40 and choose the interface as a hotspot. After we finish creating address, we will go to hotspot and click the hotspot setup, choose the hotspot and just next again. That's it. Now we finished creating a hotspot. When you try to log in authentication and it's not show up, you can type DNS name following login.net and you will be able to log in the authentication process. And you can adjust name as a KQ Lab hotspot or anything else you want to, and press OK. So let's go to create your user profile. This process is a process to adjust the permission. I'll type 1 day, so this username can be able to use only 1 day. The share users is the limitation of number of devices that user can be used by this username, and this is the limitation of the bandwidth. I'll adjust the download and upload to 5 and 10 MB. This cookie explains how long that this username can be used until they have to log in again. So I adjust to 1 hour and it has to log in again. Then we apply. So now I have one profile for 1 day. Now I'm going to create for 1 week. And adjust this to 7 days and it will count down. Again, you can adjust the upload and download speed and adjust the cookie. Now we have the user that anyone that log in. So now I want to create the profile for each department in the office. I want to type the download and upload speed as a name, like upload for 15 MB and download for 25 MB. In this case, I want to adjust the shared user for 15 as the example of amount of people in this department and rate limit to 15 and 25. So this profile can be used 15 people. Let's try to create the username for VIP, like the executive or CEO of the company. I adjust the share user to 5 people and increase the limit of upload and download speed. Now we have full profile. We're going to the user and adjust the username and password. Now I want to create a username as 1day or A1. So in this case, I'll create a password as A1. And then we can apply. After we finish to adjust the profile, now A1 can be used only 1 day. Now I just name username of age 7 or 7 day, and I change the profile to 1 week. Now this username can be used up to 1 week. And username for one department, I want to type the username as data room, and password is 1 to 5. Now this profile have to be able to use for 15 people. Following this profile, and last one for executive, username as a VIP, and also for the password. You will continue to set up the switch. But let's go to change your LAN cable into the default port of the outer switch. And also don't forget to change the IP address to port 1 so we can be able to adjust and configure the switch. Now, we finished the MikroTik switch setup, right? But now we're going to create a new VLAN as a VLAN 4. I will set up from 13 to 16 as a VLAN 4 hotspot. And don't forget to add the VLAN ID 4 into the trap port. Done. And now, add the port 13 to 16 can be able to use the VLAN hotspot. Now you have changed the LAN cable into port 13 to 16, you can be able to use this hotspot. And don't forget to change the IP address received to automatically. And you should be able to receive the IP address as a port 40 following our hotspot VLAN IP address. So if you cannot reach to the Google, you maybe have to wait for a while. I'll try to use the DNS name login.net. Now I will use the username as A1 and also the password. Now you can see that we can use this username for 1 day. If I test the speed, it shouldn't higher than the speed limit that we have set before. So I set with 10 MB as a download. And 5 MB as an upload. And every username should be following this logic. If I log out and log in again as another username, I will get another speed limit, another limitation device number, and another run off time.